When do you think should a young doctor fresh out of his post-graduation, when should he or she dive into private practice?
Post-graduation usually does not prepare you to be on your own. When you're doing post-graduation, there is always a hierarchy. There is somebody below you, there is somebody above you, there is somebody to help you out, there is always a helping hand, there is always somebody's shoulder you can lean on, there is always somebody as your backup. When you get into private practice, you're a one-man army. You're your own resident, you're your own houseman, you're your own registrar, there is no lecturer, there is no boss to bail you out. So you better be competent when you're actually getting into private practice. There is a thought process where people feel that, jump into private practice, start earning money, and, as a doctor, you're going to really reach the moon. It doesn't happen that way. Into private practice, like I just said, you're a one-man army. You have to be confident of your skill sets. You have to be able to tackle at least 80 to 90% of the entire spectrum of your specialty competently. Once you feel that you achieved that, for some people it may happen maybe just a year after postgrad. For some people it may take 3-4 years. But when you feel that you have reached that level of competency, that is probably the right time that you should start thinking of private practice.
Okay, that's well said. I'm going to ask Dr. Sami the same question, thoda alag tarike se. Obviously, doctors as a career start late with respect to other professions, right? Who doesn't want name in their career? Everybody also wants to be famous. And there is the moolah, the money that is required because ghar to chalana hi hai. Keeping these aspects in mind, same question, but as I said, different perspective, कि ये सब चीजें सोच के that name भी चाहिए, fame भी चाहिए, money चाहिए, and he said be competent. Where would you rate that आजकल where should people look to start? After how many years of competency would they look to start private practice? मतलब खुद के बलबूते पे. What do you think?
So in private practice, the liability is double. One becomes your financial liability. Second is your performance liability. You are going to be, like he said, one-man army. So this one-man army has to make name, play the game, and be the topper. So till you don't go this ladder, it's a hand in hand. The money is going to give you the name, and for the name, you need the money to put in a practice. In private practice, everything is yours. Your instrument, your place, and no patients in the beginning. So you have to work hard to do all these things together to come up. So in a private practice, once you have, like he said, got the skill set and enough amount of backing, the money part and the psychological part, then you decide to jump in. It's every person will have to decide his time to go into the game. The reason being, it's not only the money, the skill, and a huge amount of paraphernalia required to go into the private practice.
Right. Could you expand on that? What do you mean by that?